all of the ingredients. So we're gonna say olive oil, chicken broth. This is just Parmesan grated cheese, Lawry's, minced garlic, black pepper, butter, freshly squeezed lemon, okay? Freshly squeezed lemon, angel hair pasta, garlic powder, parsley, cayenne pepper, Parmesan, Romano, okay sis? Say it with me, Romano cheese. That's what it is, okay? Thank you, goodbye. And Asiago cheese, this is so not required. This is just something I do when I actually have it in my house. And then we have fresh salmon, okay? So these are all of the ingredients, and we gonna get into the next part of the video. Let's go. Okay, make sure you set your oven to 400 degrees, okay? Okay, you guys, I really wish that this looked aesthetically better for you all. I have freshly washed my hands, and I've laid the salmon out on this plate. So first, I'm going to start out with some black pepper. Okay, and then I'm gonna start with some garlic. And then I'm gonna do some Old Bay. And then I'm gonna do some Old Bay Blackened seasoning. And I pretty much wanna cover the whole piece in this. Wherever you want a blackened effect, I guess, on your salmon, or you want like a blackened finish, put this. Add a little hint of parsley just to get that like color, which yes, I know the blackened seasoning already gives it color, but I like a little bit more, okay? A little bit more. So we're gonna sit that here, and this is the skillet I chose to use. It's just a regular pan searing skillet. It's about medium size. Turning the heat up to like about medium. I put 1 tablespoon of just unsalted sweet cream butter, and I am just going to keep it at a medium heat. So meanwhile, I am going to start boiling some water for the pasta. Just follow your regular whatever box of pasta you're using. Shout out to the pot filler. I am using angel hair pasta, and this is the pasta that I prefer to use. I just like the small ones because the sauce is very light. It's not a heavy sauce at all. The instructions for this particular pasta is to boil 4 quarts. I didn't measure it because I kind of know what I'm doing. Salt the water and only boil 4 to 5 minutes. So now the water is boiling, and we're going to add the angel hair pasta. As you guys see, starting to bubble, so it'll start browning in a second, and that's when I'm gonna add the salmon. Now, and I'm gonna sit this in there, right there. Take my other one. Yes, I have on gloves. So on this side, you can add a couple of seasonings if you want like an extra zing. It's really not required, but we love season over here, so why not? You can even put a little blackening season because we are gonna flip this, so you can even add a little bit of that. You can pretty much add every spice that you added to the other side. So I flipped everything over. And you see how that parsley added a little bit of color? I know it's very subtle. Oh, sorry, I took one away. I know it's very subtle, but I still like seeing it. And you can see everywhere that I added that beautiful blackened seasoning. Ooh, I can taste it already. This is only half of the cooking process. Alright guys, so now that the salmon's in here, ignore the hookah tip. we have a lemon and a lemon squeezer. We're going to squeeze lemon juice into the salmon, okay? Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Ooh. Following that, we have some olive oil that we are also going to squeeze over the salmon. All right, and then we have little pieces of lemon that we are also going to have on top of the salmon. So you see we have the lemon on here. We're going to do some parsley for a little decoration, y'all, okay? A little decoration. Make sure you set your oven to 400 degrees. Now, I'm gonna slide it in here. I do 13 minutes, and the salmon is always about, I would say medium well. I don't like it medium, and I don't like it well done. I hate dry salmon. So love lemon juice, love olive oil, love butter. Again, using fresh lemon juice makes all the difference. I cook it at 400 degrees for 12 to about 18 minutes, but it really just depends. Like if you have those really thick, dense pieces of salmon, or if you have like the long, flat ones, like I would say anywhere between 13 to 18 minutes, and I just kind of monitor it, and in my brain, I know. Yeah, and I take it out I take it out when it's about medium, almost medium wellish, because it still cooks after you take it out. So if it's still cooking when I take it out, I'm allowing room for it to kind of reach the temperature that I need it to be. So sometimes I'll take it out at medium. About time that it's done cooking up, it'll be medium well. So I know it sounds weird, but I swear it makes all the difference in the long run. Okay guys, so now this is the same pan that, oh my god, Couture, shut up. Whew. So this is the same pan that we sauteed the salmon in, and I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh my god, be quiet, Couture. So I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to take some heavy whipping cream. Yes, heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna pour it in here. Okay. Checking on the noodles. Angel hair pasta, guys. The salmon has about 6 minutes left. Let's see. Oh yeah. So now that the heavy cream is boiling a bit, it's getting a little foamy, I guess you could say. You can see it's boiling. You see all the bubbles. We're going to add the lemon juice. Okay, so the lemon juice has been added. So now I'm adding minced garlic. Really, I should have added it when I put the butter in here to let it saute just a smidge with the butter, but we late, you know, it's the same effect. It just would have been a little bit better if I would have did that. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of the optional Romano and Asiago and Parmesan trio. And around this point, as you stir it, it is going to get a little thick. Now, if you are using heavier noodles, it being a little thick, wouldn't mind, like you wouldn't care. Of course, for heavier noodles, you need like a thicker sauce. You don't want a watery sauce. But since I'm using angel hair pasta, when it starts getting this thick, I don't necessarily want that. I may taste it and add a little bit of more lemon. And sometimes I use my favorite little thing. And that, my friends, will be chicken broth. So we're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth. And we're gonna go back to stirring. If you notice, the sauce has definitely gotten a little bit looser. Now, just like if you were to add water, which you definitely can, I just feel like chicken broth is a little bit more flavorful. You may want to go back and add a little more cheese, a little more lemon juice, because anytime you thin out a sauce, you're also thinning out the flavor. So you can use white pepper or black pepper. I'm using black pepper. Some garlic powder, more garlic powder. Some Lawry's or salt. Any salt seasoning will work. If I had some accent, that would definitely be in here, but I don't have none, so for adding in a little bit of cayenne pepper. Because we love a little hint of spice. Oh shoot, go ahead and mix all of that in. So first, I'm gonna base it with noodles.